back, y'all.
You know what's funny? I'm actually recording right now, so you did my intro for me. So I wanted to thank you for that.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm recording right now.
I'm back, y'all.
I'm back, y'all. I'm back, y'all. I'm back at it back, and I'm back, y'all. Okay, so this is Nicole, back with another video. I'm not Nicole. This is Nicole, who I'm talking to right now. Anyway, we were thinking of like what other videos we could do. I suggested to her a would you press the button. Now, I'm pretty sure some of you people saw some Let's Plays of it, where some of them played Would You Press the Button. Like, it's presenting a situation and there's a catch. I don't know if Nicole still has the website pulled up.
I do.
Okay, so she's going to read a certain situation. We're just going to see what we would choose. Like, maybe she would do one thing and I would do another. We're just gonna see how different our choices are. So, Nicole, if you could read the first question.
Are we gonna go back and forth? Like, are you gonna go on the website as well, and then you read one to me, and then I read one to you, or just we just myself? Are you going to open up the website?
No, I'm not going
and
to.
Read me questions too.
No, I'm not. You're going to do them because I'm still uploading the other video. I can't. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much pressure for my computer to handle.
Oh, what a brat.
Recording now.
Sorry. Okay. Anyways, I don't know why I'm laughing. Okay, would you press the button so you gain unlimited amount of money, but you can't use any transportation systems never again?
Like I can't take an Uber, I can't take a bus or a train or a plane?
You can't even use your car, it seems like, either.
So what's the point?
You can't use any type of transportation ever again. So I probably would not do that because I like driving. Money is nothing.
Right.
It's like, money would actually be good, but I need to get from point A to point B.
Right.
And I work for my money, so I won't do it.
I won't do it either.
Why?
Because like you, I also like driving, and like I said, I don't get out the house much, so I would have to drive other places if I want to have a social life at least.
Do you want me to say the percentage too?
You can say the percentage.
Okay, well, 58% pressed the button, and then 42% didn't.
I'm part of that 42%. Party two.
This one is, you will be recognized as the world's best composer in the history of mankind, but One Direction is your boss. Okay, I'll do it.
That's kind of a trick question, because One Direction, I guess they're talking about
the band.
I thought they
what do you think they were talking about?
I thought they broke up. That's what I was thinking.
Well, yeah, they did, but I don't know when these questions were created. 2013, they were together then.
Probably.
So I would do it.
Yeah, why not? Lots of people like One Direction nowadays. So, well, before they didn't, but it's only as time passes as when people like other people, like these artists. Like, remember when Justin Bieber first came out? Everyone hated him. I don't see a single person hating him now. Like, especially like nowadays.
Me.
Besides you, like, other than that, I don't see anybody else hating him. I don't.
Okay, this one is, you get $10 million. That's a lot of money questions.
Sweet.
You get $10 million, but you now have gonorrhea, herpes, and athlete's foot forever. No.
Well,
no.
I would have to pay for treatment, I guess. I have the money for treatment, so.
I don't know what the answer is.
I don't want any of those things to begin with when I have my money, so no. Hell no.
80% did not press the button. I'm part of that 80%. What's up with the money questions?
There's a lot of money questions, huh?
I can see that. Alright, this one is, you get $1 million a year for the rest of your life, but you have to move every year and it never be the same country. I'll do it. I would do it.
I mean, I guess. Sure.
Anywho. You become... Don't interrupt me. Anyways, you become super smart and can understand the meaning of life and universe as a human being. But you change your gender and species at random every time you think about your genitals.
Wait a minute.
You change your gender and species at random every time you think about your genitals.
I mean, I would only think about my genitals if there was something wrong with them.
Oh my gosh.
I don't see anything wrong with my genitals.
Genitals, not tools.
There's a person's name, Jenna Tools. Okay, I'm making a joke here. You're ruining it.
So you wouldn't do it?
No, I wouldn't do it.
I didn't think so. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
You can live anywhere you want, in any kind of house you want, but you'll have to always wear French-made clothes. I would do it.
I mean, French-made clothes can't be that bad.
Especially if there's the female version of French-made clothes. And that means I can move anywhere. I can live anywhere. So that means I can live in Sweden without needing to wear that for him.
Anyway, what's so funny?
Nothing. Okay. This is a man question.
Okay.
Looks like an answer. Would you become the richest man in the world? But are forced to live in Harlem and can wear nothing but a Nazi uniform?
A Nazi uniform?
Yeah.
No. No, I wouldn't do that, as a matter of fact.
Why not?
It's a freaking Nazi uniform. I don't want to be... People are going to think I'm a Nazi, which I'm not.
Okay. Oh, boy. Okay. Are you ready for this one? It's a YouTube question.
Okay.
Okay. Would you be the most subscribed YouTube user of all time?
Jake Paul. What?
But you only get dislikes, flags, and negative comments.
That would result in you getting a disabled channel. So what's the point? Like,
so
what?
If you get all flags and likes or whatever, you get they would disable your account.
Yep.
I didn't even know that.
I mean, you're talking about flags here. I mean, if you don't get flagged, but you have like so many like negative comments and dislikes without any flags, then it would be fine. But you're talking about flags too. So flags is the biggest like thing. So.
True. But why would you have all these subscribers if your videos are that bad and like you get like flags and all that? You wouldn't be having that many subscribers anyway.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, they'd be unsubscribing to you if they hated your channel so much, so they would be depleting.
True. Yes, ma'am.
So what's the point?
I don't know, ma'am. Sorry, sir.
I would not press the button, as a matter of fact.
Yeah, I wouldn't press it either. I'm
trying to grow a community, okay? You hear that, subscribers? All 36 of y'all.
I just mumbled something under my breath and you did not hear me.
I did not hear you.
Okay, good. Anyway.
Maybe my camera will pick it up.
Maybe you'll hear it when you watch it back.
Probably.
Okay, wait, no, it doesn't make any sense. You can stop time for an unlimited amount of time. You can start and stop time whenever you want. You can move around and do whatever you want during these periods.
Okay.
But you age 3 times faster when time is stopped.
Oh, so death is closer. Great.
Pretty much. I don't want to age 3 times faster. I'm already old as it is. I wouldn't do it.
I wouldn't do it either.
I don't want to die quicker. Then I'd be closer if she misses age if I do it for a little bit. Anyways, next question. You will become a blue robot, but you will have no memory of your past life. What?
That's sad.
That is such a bad, weird question.
That's sad.
That's more than
Not
sad.
only you forget your past life, but you're a blue robot out of all colors?
Hey, it's blue.
Yeesh.
What's your favorite color? Oh, what happens if it was red?
No, not even. You're forgetting your past life. It doesn't matter what color you are.
Listen, relax.
I'm not pressing the button.
You're not pressing the button?
No.
Okay. This question is weird. Okay. You have to have the perfect body. Sorry, you don't have to have. You have the perfect body.
I have to have the perfect body. It's a requirement of me.
Sorry. No, you have the perfect body.
Mm-hmm.
But you have to drink blood to make it that way. Ew.
Oh, I have to be Edward Cullen then. Okay, that's nice. No.
I wouldn't do it. I'm back, y'all.
I like how you say it every single time I press the record button.
A record button?
Yeah, record.
The record? Oh, you're recording now?
Yeah, because my battery was dying and now I'm charging it. Now I'm on the other battery. It's okay.
I won't take your back, y'all, anymore. Anyways, you will get the latest gaming laptop. What's the latest gaming laptop?
I don't even know. I didn't even know there were gaming laptops.
Can I skip this question?
Sure, because it might be stupid anyway. I mean, most of those questions are stupid because I don't know.
Candy. I like candy.
I want candy.
Dun, 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 dun.
I want candy.
Dun, 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 dun. Candy in the morning time. Candy when the sun comes in. Was there this one? Aaron Carter? Was that Aaron Carter? You create the world's most successful candy bar industry, whatever it is.
Hershey.
We'll say it differently, but let's say it both ways. But it is legal for anyone to steal candy bars. What?
You ain't taking my candy bar. Screw that. That's my candy bar.
I'm not going to figure out my Butterfinger. Next question. Something good happens, but something bad happens that obviously outweighs the good thing. I feel like that's like an everyday life thing that happens. Like, I feel like something good happens and then all of a sudden something bad happens.
That outweighs everything. So like the bad thing is worse than the good thing all the time.
I feel like that's like an everyday thing.
It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro.
Like, okay, you become invincible, but you have to drink a gallon of Coke every day. I will not do that. I don't drink soda. Let's talk about a different kind of Coke.
I will not press the button.
You won't?
Nope.
I think so. Well, 69%.
69.
That guy is in his underwear right now, and he has like the biggest bulge of all time.
You said that on camera, by the way. I'm ready.
You instantly learn all languages fluently. Did we do this one already? But you can only speak one language on any given day.
We did that one.
I would do this because
not on camera.
Remember?
Not on camera. We didn't.
One conversation.
Oh,
whatever. I would do it. I mean, hello. Him speaks Farsi, Swedish. Come on now. I wish I could speak that crap so I could see you talking about me. So I would do it. You do it too, right?
Yeah.
I keep forgetting that you're recording. I gotta watch my mouth.
I'll edit it out.
Okay.
You forgot there's You forgot there's iMovie and other stuff, right? It's not like I'm gonna upload this raw footage and then they're gonna be like, hello. Or whatever you say.
Is it me you're looking for? Okay. Alright. You can go back in time, bring anything you want with you, but Hitler wins the war.
This is another freaking Nazi question. Ugh.
I wouldn't do it.
Can you imagine how much different our world would be? I would not do it, and I would not. Yeah, that's crazy.
Okay. Do you have any enemies? But I guess it doesn't have enemies.
Not that I know of.
Well, I'm pretty sure you have enemies. You have to have enemies. You become the superhero of your choice, and your friends join your super team.
The Muffin Stuffer super team.
Super team? Yeah, but what superhero would we be? Like, what would Calvin be?
Lube Man.
Calvin would be... What would he be?
Lube Man.
Yeah, he has like gallons and gallons of lube. How about Jack?
We'd have to ask him, because I don't know what he would be.
No, how about me? What would I be? Anyways, so you become the superhero of your choice, and your friends join your super team, but all of your enemies and their friends become supervillains and form a team to destroy you. Well, if this is a team of the Muffin Stuffers, then there's no way that we're going to get destroyed. Sure?
True.
Because we're unbreakable. What's that for? I was looking for. That's what door. Thank you so much. We kind of did that one already, so I'm not going to even ask that. We did it when the cameras aren't rolling. That sounds so wrong. Okay, what kind of question is this? Okay. Oh, I get it now.
Oh, I'm not ready for this one.
No, it's going to be a while. Okay. You become a millionaire. Mind you, millionaire is spelled wrong. But everything is free. So everything is free in this world. Everything is free. You become a millionaire.
Even paying the bills.
Huh?
I don't think they mentioned paying bills. Unless they literally mean everything is free, like...
Everything. Everything is free.
So I don't see the. Well, I guess you could be the only millionaire that. I mean, what's the point in money then? So I wouldn't press the
I was
button.
actually just gonna say that.
If everything was free, there would be no currency. If everything
No
was free.
jobs.
But we could still live in our houses. We wouldn't have to pay anything. We could just make food and stuff, and I don't know. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know how to handle that.
I mean, I don't know. That's just weird. Because then, I mean, there's nobody working and everything. And wait, if I don't have to go to work, I don't have to go to church every Friday with my clients. Oh my God. I'm going to press a button. Okay. You can smoke weed anytime you want to. Oh, gosh. But you have to walk to the worst part of town to get it alone.
The worst part of town.
So this would be Providence, Rhode Island. Because that's the ghetto. I would not do it because I don't smoke weed anyways.
Or Compton.
No, I don't care about Compton.
Who does?
You do.
I do not care about Compton.
Yeah, you do.
I don't live there.
Yeah, you do.
I knew you were going to say that.
You freaking live there.
Compton, Florida?
Yeah.
As if that was a place.
Oh my God. It's really not that bad.
Recording.
I'm back, y'all.
Recording.
Okay. The question is, you can anyone you want and have all the money in the world, but you can't talk to them after them. It doesn't say for how long, though. It doesn't say how long. So it could be a day. It could be
A minute?
20 seconds, 10 seconds. So I would do it. So I can beep Seamus. I just censored my
You
own
said
word.
beep Seamus.
Yes, you didn't have to, censor it out over there. I saved you the trouble of doing that. Is that okay with you?
Sure.
Okay. So what would you do? Would you do it?
Yep, I would press the button.
You would do it?
Yep.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna choose a different question. Anyways, how's life, Austin?
I accidentally put you on not speaker, and I didn't hear anything you said, unless you didn't say anything.
I didn't really say anything.
Okay, so that was...
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Okay, because this is a weird question to ask. The question is...
Have you seen my channel? It's freaking weird, alright.
The question is, you have unlimited wishes, but you can never experience the true feeling of eating a bagel. What?
Wait, read the
Okay.
question again? Hold on.
Do we read it again?
Please read it again.
If you have unlimited wishes, but you can never experience the true feeling of eating a bagel.
I mean, there's other foods out there, so...
Also, it didn't say that your wishes come true.
Also true.
See? But bagel. I'm not gonna press the button.
Me neither, because I want that true, sheer feeling of eating a bagel.
Well, let's just put it this way. 91% would press that button.
Because they all assume that they all assume that their wishes would come true, so...
True, but it didn't say that they come true.
They dumb as... They dumb as...
Still learn from you. You probably look at the camera like, really, Nicole?
No, I'm smiling at it.
You have the power to teleport anywhere at any time, past or future, but you are doomed to be a homeless person and can't change your face.
Not pressing the button.
I didn't want to be homeless. I work too much. And I go to church and I don't like church. I think I deserve to live in a house.
Me too.
Next one is, you gain the ability of having 9 lives. Well, I feel like a cat. But you die a lot easier than you normally would.
So if I fell, I would probably die then.
Yes.
Or tripped on something. Better watch your step then, because those 9 lives could go away easy.
Princess has 9 lives and she falls all the time. Well, not really, but she's still alive.
I would not press the button.
I don't know. I just choose nothing. I mean, I answered no, but after what you said, I don't know. I'm gonna change my mind. Is you stay healthy no matter what you eat, but can't read.
I can't breathe?
You say, yeah, you can't read.
Oh, read.
Read.
I mean, you don't read, and you want to, and you can eat, so.
I mean, not like read a book, like be able to read something, like me not be able to read what I'm reading right now.
Or text messages. What does that
Yeah.
say? If it's like a text from your mom.
Or I can just send audio messages.
Oh, that's true. That's true. You're thinking outside the box here.
See? Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you. Next question. Bear with me.
I'm bearing with you.
Thank you so much. Oh, really? Okay. You can remove anyone you hate from existence. But the person you hate the most will be cloned each time you get rid of somebody.
Wait a minute.
Wait, hold on. The person you hate the most will be cloned each time you get rid of someone. So if I only get rid of one person, that means there'll be 2 Brock Lesnars.
So what's the point if they're just gonna come back?
I'm just going to skip that question.
That makes no sense.
Unless we're just not understanding it correctly.
No, I understood it very well.
Okay, let's do a different question. Brock Lobster. You cure world hunger, but you will starve to death yourself. Well, I mean, I don't know. I don't want to starve. I like eating. Who doesn't like eating?
Not a lot of people I know that don't like eating.
I mean, I like turkey burgers. Okay, I'm not going to answer that question.
Lots of unanswered questions here.
Here's more money ones. Oh, really?
That's what
Okay.
that's what the world runs on. Monet, Monet.
Shut up, shut up. Anyways, you win $1 million, but you have to give at least half of it to charity. No, I'm freaking greedy.
I'm freaking greedy.
No, I'm just kidding. I'd probably do it. I mean, I could just pretend.
That's still $500,000 you have. That's quite a bit of money, to be honest.
Taxes get you.
I know.
Okay, so it's not $500,000. It's probably, I don't know how much it'll be, but it will be $500,000. So I would do it though.
I'll press the button.
Sorry, I was just reading the next question. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You wake up to find $500 in your wallet
Sweet.
without having to do anything.
Sweet.
That's pretty amazing. But it's the only source of income you get. $500 a week? That's $2,000 a month.
That's sweet.
That's freaking amazing. I'd freaking do that.
I'm pressing the button with you.
I'm pressing that freaking button. Something.
You just check your wallet. Sweet, $500.
Don't do that again.
Sorry. I forgot when Nicole's on the phone with me, I can't say anything in my videos. I forgot. Even if it's my own video, I forgot.
No.
That's a rule I have to abide by.
Not necessarily. Did not say that. He was putting words in my mouth. You wouldn't ever feel pain, but you may be having a heart attack and not even know it. Oh God, I'm gonna be having one right now.
So that's just like a cardiac arrest, because you just drop.
I don't know. I don't know how I'd answer that. I don't know.
Just skip it first of all, because who would want that?
What's the point of this game if we're not gonna answer questions?
We didn't answer other questions. That didn't make sense.
True. Oh my gosh, I'm not answering that question.
Oh.
Okay, I'm just gonna skip. No, it was a sexual question.
Skip this question. Yep, I told you. Yep.
It was a sexual question.
We
Do you want to answer a sexual question?
We said one on camera.
Oh, we already went back. Well, going forward. Would you gain the world but lose your soul? I probably would not do that.
Lose my soul if I gain the world?
I feel like a demon would have my soul. Yeah, I don't want to be possessed. I watch way too many horror flicks.
Right.
Right. So what would you say? Yes and no?
I would not press the button.
Yeah, neither would I. You live in the world of your favorite book, movie, or TV show, but once it ends, you cease to exist. Well, wow, living in a world of impractical jokers? Oh my, that would be freaking amazing.
You get to see Q all the time.
Never gonna end, huh?
You get to see Q all the time.
And he's got cats too. He's got 3 cats. And I have 1. I think we get along very well. Oh my god.
Not with Sal.
Oh my god, Sal is so terrified of cats. Like, he's so terrified of them. Like, kittens. Like, little tiny kittens. What are they gonna do? Freaking lick you? That's it? See, this will be a good one for me. You can marry your celebrity crush, Seamus, but you will become blind.
So you wouldn't be able to see Seamus.
I can feel him.
Okay, fair enough.
I can feel his abs, his body, his hair,
Hear his voice.
hear his sexy accent. So I would do it.
I'm leaving this in. I'm leaving this in.
I don't care.
I know you don't care. That's why I'm doing it.
Just to touch him. I mean, everything works, and it's just not my eyes.
Right.
My mouth works. My hands work. You know, you catch my drift.
I catch your drift. I catch your drift, all right.
But then he could, you know, just move me into any position he wants and go from there. So I won't need like a walking stick or anything. He would just, you know, just pick me up and put me where, like, whatever he wants. I mean, well, that sounds like 50 Shades of Grey right there. Oh, this is one for you.
Okay.
You could have her back and she'll stay with you. Wait, who's her? But she won't truly love you ever. So your ex-girlfriend, never mind. That'd be me. But
Or any other ex-girlfriend.
Or any other ex-girlfriend. Okay. You can have her back and she'll stay with you, but she won't truly love you ever.
So that's like talking to someone who like basically doesn't like you.
Yes, literally, it is. It is.
My relationship with Nicole right now. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, I would not press the button.
You wouldn't do it?
I'm kidding. First of all, I know.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm just saying. Okay. I guess we can go back and forth now. You meet your soulmate and have a kid 10 months after meeting him, but he dies 1 year later and the kid looks exactly like him. Oh, God, Seamus. Or Ham Ham. Oh, God. Ham Ham or Seamus? Oh, yeah, I have two soulmates. Oh, no. Which one would I choose? Would I choose Ham Ham or Seamus? So if I choose Seamus, then Ham Ham dies. If I choose Hamid, then Seamus dies. And then the kid will look just like him. Gray hair. Gray hair. What? Not gray hair. Oh my god. Red hair. Holy moly. Red hair. Irish. Probably pale like Seamus. Or I can get Hamid. A child that looks like Hamid. Alright, I can't answer that one. I can't. I wish there was a skip button on here. Oh, but 66% say that they would not press the button. Oh, this is for you. You can fly, but at the same speed you can walk.
What?
But you walk slow. So it's like flying the same pace as you can walk. Like if you walk fast, you walk slow.
I would not press the button because what is the use of flying and walking at the same speed? If you want to fly, you should fly faster.
Yeah, but they're trying to say if you, like when you fly, however fast you walk is how fast you're going to go when you're flying. You get it?
I'm still not pressing the button.
Okay, I didn't think so. But 87% pressed the button. Okay, they do not press the button. Okay, so next question. Oh, God, this is my question? Oh, God, but I'm not religious. All people on the world convert to your religious beliefs, which is atheist. But you learned that your beliefs were false. Well, no, my beliefs are not false. Sorry, I'm not going to press the button.
I'm not going to press the button either.
I can't. Sorry, I'm not religious. And if I can convert everybody to be atheists, then I'd press it. Best night of your life. But you get drunk and puke on yourself in front of everyone. I'd do it.
I mean, that kind of sounds like the best night ever.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I'd do it because it's just... I mean...
Party!
I mean, who hasn't thrown up on themselves? I have.
I mean, if you throw up on yourself after getting drunk, you really had a good time. So, and I mean, really had a good time.
I would press it.
I mean, same.
Do you know who Rob Stark is?
Huh?
Do you know who Rob Stark is?
No.
Do you know who Rob Stark is?
No.
How do you not know who Rob Stark is?
Rob Stark?
Rob Stark is probably the cutest thing ever. You know, he's very cute, and you know, but I'm surprised you didn't know who he is. Let's just say he's kind of, sort of long hair. It's a very popular movie. It's not really a movie. I mean, It's kind of like a show. I mean, kind of. You saw Game of Thrones.
Uh-huh.
And I like Ned Stark because his name is my initials. Together. Okay, I guess this would be a question for me then. You can marry Robb Stark, which I definitely would marry Robb Stark, but you will both die at the Red Wedding. I don't want to die, so I'm not pressing the button. I love Robb, but I can't press it. But I like Jon Snow better. Yeah, see? I didn't think so. Not many people press the button. Not many people pressed it. Straight Outta Compton's over. I'm not answering any sex questions because, you know, this is a rated PG show.
This is already a long, long video.
We can do a couple more if you want. I said we can do a couple more if you want.